Okay, right now I'm at DSMTool. This is the so-called the page whereby you can see all your customer question. So how to come to this particular page is that you click on this envelope icon. So you can see all the different types of question that is being asked. When you click on this icon, you can actually go to this that say see all messages. There's this particular link. Just click on this and you can actually look at what are all the different questions that customer asks you. Let's say for example this particular one. I just click on this. This customer say that he actually wanted this to buy this again. I can actually reply from the template. You can select from reply from templates and select the reason. So ask for positive feedback. Can I get a discount? Can I ship the item to a different location? So these are all the different questions. For example, customer asking you, can you ship the item to a different location? The template is like this. We will tell them that we cannot ship it because the item has been shipped. And it's also stated in eBay that we cannot change the shipping address once the order is created. And next, you can also say that you contact the warehouse to see if something can be done. But actually, their item has been shipped out. So this is one way to reply the customer. You can actually refer to the template over here. There's plenty of template to choose from over here. So these are the commonly asked questions that we can easily just copy and paste. Another commonly asked question is that customer asks, hey, when my item will ship? So you tell them that the item usually is shipped between 1 to 3 business days. So if you're using Amazon or 2-day free shipping, this should be the reply. So you should also tell them that weekends does not count as a business day. So this is a very common understanding among buyers. But if some buyer they are new, they might not know that business day refer to Monday to Friday. So you can always use the template over here to save you time. So with this, I'll see you in the next video.